Oh, careful! Oh my god! Hello. So it is early in the morning and we're currently waiting for our Miss SAD and our Mr. DD who have a few more minutes left before they are late. Hopefully they make it in time. Ah, finally they are here. Okay, now we can finally make our way all the way to the nature walk. The weather is very hot. I don't know why I set up for this. And it's way too early to be doing exercise in the morning. I didn't bring water as well, so let's just hope that I manage to stay hydrated all the way and don't die and pass out halfway.
Hey, got Eugene, you need to be like clear, like the NRIC S1.
You're bickering early in the morning again. That's just a HRM lifestyle for you all. So there's a safety briefing going on, but nobody can hear anything because we're at the back. So hope we don't miss anything. Should be okay, Singapore, right? I hope.
Oh, live chicken?
Huh? Okay, so we finally began to start.
What are we doing? What are we doing?
We just need to walk.
Just need to walk.
Yes, Miss Wen, we just need to walk.
Here guys, I need to report to the team.
Why?
Why you promoting? You promoting your work.
So I don't understand why I'm still here. It's really very hot. Looks like a real place that happened in the past, like an actual train station. So many people actually having like some sort of social anxiety. There's so many of them. But okay. Oh, hey, good photo. Yes. These people try to run off.
5 minutes later.
I love this part of the trail. It's very shady. And honestly, not much mosquitoes happening right now. And yeah. Can you stop judging me? This is something that
I
never judge.
let it go on record that SAD keep judging me. I have evidence to file harassment.
Okay, talk to your RM.
And we are back to the hot area. No more shit. That was a short-lived happiness. Okay.
Oh, I don't know. Can.
Take a photo.
Are you still or moving?
Hey, you don't take me lah.
Hello, you no matter what, you'll be in the photo.
Staka. He never take me, never take me.
I was walking behind my house.
Yay, on the way to Woodlands.
Yeah, the ginger is something.
Monkeys on the road.
They think that it's food.
Let me move. So that's one. That's like way more. Some monkeys catching another monkey's back. More monkeys. What are they doing? They're building some stuff with the plants.
No lah, they just
They're low-key kind of scared of us. I I think they're more scared of us than we are scared of them. But time check. I think we are 30 minutes in the walk. And we are back in the shaded area.
No wildlife for all the monkeys.
Are you not a wildlife?
Yeah, I am. I will not win if you take picture of me.
You're not what?
You won't win this category.
We won't win this category.
You get her to hide in the trees.
You know, like we walk past and we see a lot of people walking past and riding bicycle. Today is a Friday morning. Do these people not have to work? You ever wonder? I say no. I'm asking you all. I say it's just. I'm just asking you all. No. But it's true though. Don't you think? Wait, don't you think so though? Like okay, I mean, like some of the guys are like a bit older, so I can tell they're retiree. But what about those younger people? They don't have to work, man.
Uniform officer on off day, rest day.
All uniform officers. No, but some of them you look at it, you can tell. Okay, I'm not trying to judge people.
Home.
Which?
Work from home. This is like work from nature trail.
Flexible working hours.
I don't know, man.
Stay at home dads.
I always wonder what these people are doing. Then, so the other day when we went
Earning
to
more than us.
You can go and interview them. Yeah, you can interview them. As part of your main subject is not here.
It's okay.
You change the topic.
It's okay.
Why you so?
Don't know if you all saw, but there was a danger keep outside just now at the front. Yeah. Let's hope there's no danger. Okay, this path looks really sus. This path looks really sus. Do you all not see the danger sign at the front? They ask you to keep out. Yes. I'm gonna claim the corporate insurance if anything happens to me. The floor is actually, the ground is actually quite. Oh my god, that's like broken ceramic, you know. Oh, it's like broken ceramic. Oh my god. Imagine someone walks here barefooted, right? Oh my god, I need to really wash my foot thing here. Wait, it's out though. The main path. There are kids. Huh. Wait, that was actually quite short.
You don't want to.
Up slope, up slope.
That's why if Master asks you come up here so he can be rid of you.
The sun is getting kind of hot right now. It's quite steep.
What?
Wait, what thing? It's in the guy's name.
Yeah, I forgot.
He's an NSF.
He don't have a group, so he's in our group now.
He took the photo.
Wow, so nice eh.
Wait, this is actually kind of nice though.
Yeah.
I asked him to spell out his name. Because I know I can't remember. Indeed, I will.
But everybody will take this photo here. Very lame.
Everybody will come my own personal collection. I don't care about the competition.
Oh.
I'm not competitive one.
Those sound great lah.
Wow.
The sun ah.
This reminds me of the 小桂林.
Oh, 小桂林 is better than 小桂林.
Eh, nine got fish. Okay, the fish a bit lame.
The fish a bit lame.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't have feet, right? Haha, badams.
sorry, that's just a fun.
You hold the tree, hold the tree, hold the tree.
Then you go behind, try to appear behind a bush.
Actually, in front, okay, it's flat ground though.
Yeah, it's just flat ground there.
It's flat ground, it's flat ground.
I think I got snake. Okay, hurry there, hurry there. Okay, hurry there.
You must look at the camera, must look at the camera.
Wait.
Oh yeah, must use from the bush behind.
Look here, look here, look here.
Okay.
Okay, I got thumbnail already. The leaves are white. Hocock warning says that the leaves vaped. Say no to vaping, guys. Say no to vaping.
Wow, he make me be the mother.
Our tour guide disappeared, so now our tour guide is now Didi Cheng. Hopefully he knows his way.
Wow.
Oh, careful! Oh my god!
Hello? You okay or not?
Swing, 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 swing!
Why can't she be again?
I don't know, you know who suggested? Where is he running to?
You want to do the slide? Do this for train for SCDF paramedic.
Way of the slide.
You can can lah.
Huh? You cannot squeeze ah?
Okay, you do, then I just edit it out.
Oh my god. Take video, take video.
39 years old man, by the way.
40.
40 years old man, by the way.
Here FG SG.
Yeah, we reached the end of the trail.
Night cycling 才是
Yay!
nature walk 要吃
We reached the end of the trail. What's your thoughts? Yeah, what's your thoughts about the trail?
No thoughts.
No thoughts, brain empty.
brain
Hello, SAD. What's your thoughts about it?
Hold on.
She got a very good present from the trail. Mother Nature gave it to her.
I think she give it to herself.
And finally, we reached the
Throw
real
herself
mall.
to
I
Mother
get to
Nature.
pee! Yes! Okay, I shouldn't shout that so loud. Okay.
Don't worry, your voice wouldn't scare away the kingfisher.
the king.
I like how you scare all the nature.
The dragon.
我真的是 apex predator 这样。
Okay, so I'm back home after the morning walk at the trail. It was kind of tiring. Okay, actually it's not that bad. Actually it's not that hot as well. I think today's weather was great. Like it was sunny, but it wasn't too hot. And I think it was quite chill overall. Yeah. Okay, this was a test vlog. I think it was pretty good. Not bad for a first try. Let's see how hopefully the edits come through and looks good. And our next vlog will be in Okinawa. So hopefully that will look much better. Okay, that's all. Thank you.